Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. You're watching always my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen. In today Balghari Kitchen, I bring another super duper recipe, which is Paneer Tikka in skewers. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this recipe. I'm going to make in Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen always. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Stay tuned. So here in Balghari Kitchen, I prepared all the ingredients for Paneer Tikka Skewers. So I'm going to show you. Here I have paneer which I cut into cubes, capsicum green, red onion, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, garlic powder, black pepper powder, ginger garlic, some red chili, salt to taste, garam masala, oil, chopped coriander, and here I'm going to use special mustard oil. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe. Viewers, let's start our cooking. I'm going to add all the dry ingredients here. Garlic powder, chili, salt, black pepper, garam masala, and mustard oil. Chop coriander, mix all together. Look at this nicely. Add some oil as well. Now our marination is ready. I'm going to add the paneer. Mix nicely the paneer all together. Then you're going to remove this one. So here we have rest marination. I'm going to add a little bit more, and then add our vegetables. And marinate also all together. Put some mustard oil. Mustard oil gives very good flavor in your cooking, and it's very healthy as per health concern. Little bit salt, garam masala, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some red chili. Mix together all nicely. Almost nicely marinated. Look at this vegetable. So then we are going to make skewers. So here I have taken some bamboo skewers, this size, so it will not break our paneer. So let's prepare our skewer. I'm going to make skewers. You can add some capsicum and then paneer this way in the center, and then you can add red, another paneer. Now you can add yellow as well, another paneer. Then you can add also another onion or red. In this way you can make all the paneer. One by one you can put yellow, green, You can add at least 3 paneer in the skewer. So viewers, in this way you can prepare all the skewers, and then I'm going to cook on frying pan, tawa, or in a oven. You can toast this one very nice. So here I have some vegetables left over. I'm not going to throw. Let's mix vegetable skewers. So viewers, let's start our cooking. Let's toast this one. I have already here a pan. I'm going to make it hot. Adding some oil. You can use butter as well. Spread over everywhere. And then I'm going to cook in this way. Move here a little bit so we can put some more all together. Beautiful paneer. Slowly, slowly you can turn. Slowly, slowly you can turn like this. Slow fire. Keep turning all. It's almost ready, paneer tikka. Now we are going to switch off the flame. So viewers, our paneer tikka skewers ready. I'm going to start plating in this way. You can add all the paneer. And this is the extra vegetable skewers. Keep on the side. So here our paneer tikka is ready. I'm going to enjoy. So viewers, our paneer tikka is ready. Look at the delicious plate. Looks a beautiful color. Let me taste some paneer. I'm going to taste. It looks delicious. Mmm, super soft, and the vegetable makes it crisp. Not too much spicy. Looks it's very delicious. The mustard oil gives more aroma. Wow. Mmm. So viewers, if you want to watch more recipes, more cooking techniques, more recipes on YouTube, please watch Balghari Kitchen on YouTube. Subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments, which will improve our video quality and our channel. So always share to friends and family. Thank you so much for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year 2025 will bring us more happiness and healthy, wealthy life. So stay tuned, Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.